summer fall camping. Back here, tour tayo. Oh, and we are now going someplace.
Kitty,
Yeah,
would you rather me just go to the back?
no, I'm already out. Ito po ang matinding kahirapan kapag because there's a little opening. There, I'm done. Yan. Tignan niyo po kung saan ako nanggaling. 'Di ba? At eto na ako ngayon. Buti na lang may footsteps ng tao. Saan ba pupunta tong asawa ko? Oh, you're going there? Gusto pumunta dito ni Moshi. Ay, naku, napakadulas. May ambulansya. They're not open? They're not open?
No, I thought they were open at this time.
Okay. So, tignan nyo po kung saan ako nanggaling. Ang hirap mag-park. Bubble tea na gusto ni Lance tsaka ni Lincoln. Ito ang pinakamasarap na bubble tea dito sa lugar na to. Ang cute naman yarn. At dito naman tayo ngayon sa Asian Grocery Store. Ang ating susunod na destination. Tara na. Tignan niyo po ang wow, it's $2 for two for $6.88. What is this? Suha. Pomelo. This is what I used to eat when I was pregnant. It's the first thing I craved for Lance and Lincoln.
Oh, yeah?
I just smell it. $2 for 88 cents. Pink pomelo. Ito naman tayo. Tignan natin kung magkano yung rambutan. Tada, oh my god, rambutan is $6. Longkong. Suha. Hindi. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko na kung ano to. Tagal ko na kasing hindi nakakakain yan. And this is supposed to be what? Asian pear paste. Oh, bayabas.
I'm actually picking up on the smell of something that reminds me of grocery stores in Japan right now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, there's something there.
Wow, jackfruit. Calamansi. Let's see if there's mushroom for
$3.
$2 for $3. Okay, I'll get it. Because Lance and Lincoln like this mushroom.
Yeah, it's getting smaller, right?
Yeah. The packaging gets smaller and smaller.
It's like an old package, one round package there. But still, it's actually
Oh, this one is good price. $1.98. Oh, tubo. $5.83. Oh, why it's going there? Tignan natin kung ang palaya. Tatlong piraso ay $2.42. Etong talong. Etong sayote. Magkano to? Is there something for me that you're
Ding dongs
seeing?
are there.
Ah, ding dong. Aside from ding dong, what else?
Chocolate pie.
What is this? Marine
Boy? I
boy.
don't know. Fish.
So when we're gonna go out, I'm gonna get it, okay? There's
Okay.
no sense of me carrying it right now. Okay? Oh, this! I'm gonna grab that one too.
Which
This
one?
one.
Shrimp trips?
This one.
Crispy roll series.
No, this one.
That's not the price you're seeing up there, by the way.
Yeah.
This is that's that price.
Oh,
That.
okay. I wanna see if there's a spicy. Lance and Link. What is this one?
It's plain lime.
Oh, it's lime.
Truffle.
Caramel.
It's caramel popcorn.
No, they like the spicy. I'll just get the regular one if we cannot get spicy. Let's go. Let's look at the frozen stuff. Rice. Magpunta naman tayo ngayon sa frozen section. O, punta tayo dito sa noodles. Because why not? Nung hindi pa ako hindi pa nagkakasakit yung tiyan ko, lagi akong kumakain ng mga maanghang. Hindi ako makakain pag hindi maanghang. Itong mga buldak, mga yan, gustong gusto ko yan. Pero mula ng October, hindi ko na siya nakain. Hindi na ako nakakakain ng maanghang. Aha, I found you. Tapos, eto, gochujang. Meron din ako. Ay, eto yata yung brand na binili ko. Ito. Hindi ko na naubos. Kailangan ko nang itapon. Wow! Pork. 2 of them? It's 2 of them. Oh, they're
There's
just
stuff.
sticking together. Okay. So, makikita nyo po ang mga presyo dito, magkano ang mga, tulad dito, $2.29. Etong wrapper, $2.29 din. Yung tokwa, mahal. Pero meron ng lutong tokwa, $3.29. Let's go to the frozen section, Mushi. Yan, mga... Tada! Dito tayo sa frozen section. Nung hindi pa masakit yung tiyan ko, lagi rin akong
Bulldog
kumakain
fried rice,
nito.
eh?
Yeah,
You
bulldog
had that
fried
before,
rice.
haven't
I always make, lagi akong gumagawa ng bulldog fried rice. Kasi madali lang siya, bili ka ng bulldog sauce. $6.88. Ay, bumili nito si Mushi, frozen. Kasi nung nasa Japan kami, lagi kaming bumibili nito. Kapag frozen na, tapos nag-thaw na siya, hindi masarap. Hindi namin siya gusto. Ito mga wrapper. 2 for $88. Saba. May saba pa ako sa bahay. Chicken embutido. What is embutido?
I don't know.
Can we see it, please? Ano ang embutido? Okay. It's like a meatloaf. Okay, I know now. Tapos, meron tayong mga longganisa. Ayan. Tapos, itong mga dahon-dahon. Wow, ang dami ngayong kakanin. Mga frozen na kalamansi. Frozen na sili. Hindi pa sumasakit yung tiyan ko. Lagi akong bumibili ng frozen na sili. Ngayon naman, tignan natin anong meron dito. gyoza. Wow. Seafood wonton. I wonder if this is good. Kung gusto niyo po malaman kung magkano yung gyoza, 246.88. Eto, lumpia. Oh, fish balls! It's back! Lumpia. 5.48. Fish balls. Squid balls. Pilipino to, squid balls. Bili natin. Squid balls. Fish balls. Ano pa yung iba? Okay, squid ball at fish ball. Tada! Kapag wala nito, kasi lagi namang wala niyan. Ito lagi ang binibili namin. Ito yung pinakamasarap na brand na gustong gusto namin. Grabe naman yung bumahing. Kung nasa loob ako ng bahay, gabahin ako ng gano'n. Kaso nasa loob ako ng tindahan. Lakas bumahing ni kuya. Kuhanin ko siya. Okay. Tignan natin. Anong kinuha ni Mushi? Ay, eto pala bamboo shoot. Pakita ko sa inyo. Tada! Bamboo shoot. Ay, tignan nyo. Mani na frozen. Black corn. Tanglad. Wow. Hot dogs. At mga longganisa at dugo. Kung gusto niyo pong malaman magkano yung dugo, $4.48. Longganisa, $3.98. Hot dog, magkano itong hot dog? $7. Tanglad, 2 for $3.98. So, kukuhanin niyo. Is that, what's inside of it? Oh, hot dog and cheese. Wow, that looks good.
Fish dog.
At hawak ko to ngayon. Ganun pa rin ang nandi dito, hindi pa rin nagbabago. Mga udon. This is what do you call this? Imitation crab meat. I'm wondering if I should get, since I always make sushi. Eh? What do you think?
It's pollock, but yeah.
Pollock doesn't taste good?
No, it's good.
It's good. Kasi lagi naman akong gumagawa ng sushi sa mga bata eh. Gustong gusto nila yung sushi. I have to buy sushi roll.
There's nothing wrong with this one.
Yeah. Ito rin, imitation.
Look,
Yeah.
it's 2 layers.
Ito rin, imitation. Seaweed salad. Ng mga bata kami, lagi kaming kumakain nito. Fresh na fresh. Tapos nilalagyan ni nanay ng kalamansi. Ang sarap. Ay, kalamansi tsaka, ano bang tawag doon? Sibuyas. Ang sarap. What?
Pick up this.
Uh-huh. It's very light.
Pick up this.
What's in... Why did they pack way too many?
Oh, there it is. It's 1 kilogram.
Huh?
So there's 2 different sizes.
Oh, okay. Sajo. Is this Sajo?
Yeah.
Tapos meron din ito. At saka ito. We should leave now, Mushi.
Yeah.
Nabili ko na ito. Nasaan ba yung tatak na yun? Ay, wala na yung tatak na yun. Malaking box siya. Akala ko marami. Yung pala sa ilalim niya, yellow. Madaya ako. Yeah. Gusto kong bumili ng shrimp. Etong buong kahabaan na to ay shrimp naman siya. Yan. Mga shrimp. Puro shrimp. Ito naman, duck. Taenga ng baboy. Buto-buto. Anong tawag dito? Octopus. Dahon ng saging. Let's go. I can carry them. Let's go.
Okay, let's see.
Where the heck is sushi wrapper? I'll take a quick look here. Okay, there's nothing. Maybe here? No. Maybe here? No. Okay, I'll get snacks now. I don't know how much is this. Should I get this for the boys?
Yeah, I do.
Then I'm gonna get ding dong. Oh, it's almost 8 o'clock. It's 10 minutes before 8.
5 minutes.
Ông nội ơi, ngày mai qua ngã đường. Không gì thì thôi.
Thank you so much.
You can carry them, Mushi.
I can carry all that. Just give me a just put my gloves on real quick.
Okay.
Okay, scoop.
Hindi pa nila tinatanggal yung Christmas tree nila. Okay. At dito tayo ngayon. Babalik na naman tayo dito sa parking. I'll just put this where I'm sitting, okay? Ang mga pagsubok sa buhay Canada ay inyo pong matutunghayan. Yes! Na-survive natin.